this beautiful day. We got a beautiful fall morning here. Just trimming this job up here. Big job. I thought I'd bring you guys along with us to see what we got going on here. This one right here on the right, we're doing both sides. Over on the left, both sides, the big one. You can see down there the guys, how high that is. Got the guy right here with the ladder. Got a guy holding the ladder for him. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with us today. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, I just changed a fuse in the boom here. Let me turn it off here. I had to change a fuse in the boom truck to go up and down. I don't know why. We have like a 200 volt fuse and it blew. I have a feeling my ground's not right on that. The boys finished it up here as I was fixing that. So you see we switched out the boom van. We brought this one in. That's what's good about when you have two of them. When you have two of them that way, so when one of them screws up, you can just change it out. You always have to have two of everything. Stump grinders, saws, trimmers, everything. Blowers. Looks like they're having a hard time with their hedges here. Alright, you guys, come along with us. We'll show you a couple of our jobs today. Look how good this tree came out here. We did the cedar hedge over here. A lot of leaves are starting to fall. See, we do the client here. We do the one over there. Look at that. It's a thing of beauty. All right, we'll keep going. All right, gonna show you guys a little bit here before and after. This one's been 2 years. Look how long. Tree's a little bit rough. I'll drop off the bill. We'll open this all up right here, there, make it look good. All right, so we'll get it done. I'll show you guys once we get it all done. Just finishing up. Show you guys around the other side. Remember we had the long branches was right here. They're coming out to here. Looking good. All right, you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Adios. amigos. All right, we're just getting the next one. No, we just finished it up. I mean, we're not getting here. We're all done. We got the van out. We had to pull the van in right here. We had this big crazy one here. Want maybe look at that big thing there. Pull this fence out right here. Come right out. The guy put that up for the deer. The rest of the fence looks good. I mean, the rest of the hedge looks really good. More normal. Just that one part that was really crazy high. This here went well. We could just do with the ladders. Yeah, just that one part up there a bit crazy. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I know we enjoy making them for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.